Build our home with bleeding hands. Let it breathe with love and plans. You were my light, my reason why. Now I just talk to an empty sky. I'm still waiting at the door where your laughter lived before. Every night I whisper low, come back home, don't let me go. But silence is all I know. You were your car, I fix your tie. Watch you chase your dreams and fly. I gave you wings, I stay behind. But now you're gone, and so it's time. I'm still waiting at the door where your footsteps touch the floor. Even faith begins to fade, but the love, it's always stayed. Still alone, still afraid. I don't need much, just one more day to hear you call, to hear you say that I remember who you are. But wishes don't go that far. So I see here on the stage, old and tired and full of age. Not for gold, not for fame, just to call out your name. Still waiting, still the same.